today we are here to commission not just a building, an institution that will nurture the future leaders of this country.
As a proud student of Margibi, I want to boastfully say that the educational sector of Liberia is not a mess as it was before. Thank you, Mr. President and Madam Minister, for giving us quality education that we deserve. Madam Minister, we the students of the Langolebe High School, the Lions Kingdom, want to appreciate and honor you for providing us quality education and the great administrators that is headed by Mr. Momo Kennedy.
Honorable Chazo Malechara, on behalf of the students body, these great institutions, Langolebe High School, the Lions Kingdom, we would love to ground you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the blessed Holy Spirit.
On behalf of the World Bank, we are sincerely delighted to be with you today for this commissioning. And the distinguished and extensive assembly is really an indication of the importance of the education agenda and the wide ownership of this agenda across the government and the Republic of Liberia. Liberia's education sector is on the rise, and Liberia is on the rise.
This launch is about more than the opening of a school building. It is a powerful statement of national ambition in confidence in Liberia's future. By expanding access to senior secondary education, the government of Liberia is opening doors to learning, to opportunity, to lives that can be lived with even more dignity and purpose.
Today is a good day for Margibi County. Today we do not merely commission a structure of brick and mortar. We open a gateway and inaugurate a center of excellence that stands as a testament to the government of Liberia under the astute leadership of our President, His Excellency, President Joseph Boakai, as a commitment to intellectual rigor and national development. This school has been built with intention. It accommodates up to 1,000 students with 15 classrooms, inclusive designed wash facilities, teachers' lounge, administrative offices, dedicated science laboratory for physics, chemistry, and biology instruction, intended to move our curriculum from theoretical abstraction to empirical discovery, an ICT lab to provide technological literacy, designed to integrate our youth into the global digital economy. It also includes solar and water systems that will ensure an uninterrupted environment for critical thinking, inclusive of sports facilities, including football, basketball, and volleyball courts that allow our students to engage in extracurricular activities. This school was designed to operate efficiently and enhance the learning environment for significantly reducing overcrowding in Margibi County. And that is what makes it a model school.
This is the time to deliver to our people, to give them what is quality. There were people who believe here that nothing was good for our young people, nothing was good for our citizens, and we are changing that. Today is time to build this country, to build into the people a new mentality, to make the people believe that the future of this country is beyond Monrovia. It's all over this country.